Alright, so what is up everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today I have a little story time plus a new sneaker pickup that I want to show you guys. And I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments below. But I could have swore this shoe was being trashed on the internet. Everybody, I swear, like I thought everybody hated this shoe, but all of a sudden, everybody wants this shoe. But we'll get into it. Let me tell you how I managed to get these bad boys. Bam, Jordan 1 box. You guys probably already know what shoe this is, but if you guys don't worry, I'll show you guys. Let me just tell you how I managed to grab these limited pair of shoes. So this shoe came out on Friday, December I'm not looking at my phone, hold up, December 14th. They released online on Nike Sneakers app on the 14th, and a couple retail stores released them in store. Me personally, I try to do the Foot Locker app reservation stuff, but I didn't hit. I never hit for anything on a Foot Locker reservation app. I didn't hit there, and then on a Nike Sneakers app, I tried to go for them, but I didn't even hit. I took the L, but the next day, Saturday, Kicks USA. They never got the men's pair batch in, so they never released on Friday. The only reason I knew about this, I wouldn't even have these shoes here if it wasn't for one of my friends that he's into the sneaker stuff. He hit me up Friday night. He was like, yo, Kicks USA are gonna have them first come first serve, and where I live there's a Kicks USA literally 10 minutes away. He was like, yo, they're having the Spider-Man Jordan 1s and it's first come first serve. And then I'm like, wait, what? I thought they released that shoe Friday, in the morning. But I guess they didn't really receive the shipment early enough for them to release it on Friday, so they kind of had to push it back on Saturday. And it wasn't just that Kicks USA located near me. It was a whole bunch of Kicks USA. So I don't know, maybe they received the shipment late. I don't know. But he was like, yo, it's first come first serve, and this Kicks USA near me is kind of new. It's been open for a couple months, so not a lot of people know about this location. So then when he told me, I was kind of like, yo, should I go camp out for these shoes? Is it worth it? I can get it for retail, and I'm kind of digging this shoe, but then I'm kind of not. I didn't know if I wanted to go or not. So I was kind of 50-50 on if I wanted to go for these shoes or not. And I was kind of just like, fuck it. I have an opportunity. Kicks USA is literally a couple minutes away. If I get him, I get him. If I don't, I don't. So then, I hit him up and be like, I might go. I don't know what time. I eventually, obviously, I did go because I got the shoes. I went at 5 o'clock in the morning on a Friday. Well, technically it was Saturday. So I went Saturday, 5 o'clock in the morning. I woke up, went straight to Kicks USA, and when I got there, there was 5 chairs in front of me. So when you gotta camp out, obviously there's other people in the location that are gonna go try to get these shoes to either rock them or resell them. But yeah, there was 5 people in front of me. There was 5 chairs there. I was 6th in line. Everything was looking pretty good. Obviously 5 o'clock in the morning, they didn't open till 9 o'clock, so I had to stay there for a couple hours. I was just there listening to music. I was just sitting down, just waiting for them to open the store up. Fast forward, couple hours later, I probably should have like recorded parts of the camping out experience, because I usually don't camp out for sneakers. Like, this was literally my first time camping out ever for a pair of sneakers. And yeah, shit was crazy. It was kind of raining outside. It was cold. It's cold out here in Philly. And you know, I was just like, you know, fuck it. And luckily I got a pair and everything went smoothly. So, you know, fast forward a couple hours later, they open at 9 o'clock. And when they opened, let me tell you guys, when they opened that door, the lady came out. She said, this is what she said. Like, these words came out her mouth. Well, she didn't just come out and say we, but she came out and said, "Good morning, everyone." You know, I was like, alright, good morning, whatever, let me get the shoes. She said, "Good morning, everyone. We only have 15 pairs. 15 pairs. What? 15 pairs of this specific shoe." Like, you would think, like, I don't know, I personally thought they would at least have like 30 to 50 pairs max, in every like men's shoe size. But she came out and said, "Good morning. We only have 15 pairs of this shoe. So, you know, if you're not like the first 15, you know, I suggest you to leave, get out, cause you know, you don't have a chance." I was just like, what? 15 pairs at this one location. I was sixth in line. And you know, the people in front of me, you know, I kind of heard them talk. They were like all pretty much resellers. Like, dog, I fuck with the shoe, you know, like I would actually rock these shoes. But like, come on, dog. The first 5 people in front of me, they were resellers. They were like, "Oh yeah, you know," like I heard them. They were like, "Oh, you know, let's I'm gonna get this size, and you know, I'm gonna like leave them in my closet. You know, just wait a couple of months, wait till next year in the summer where the prices will go up." And I'm just there like, bruh, like honestly, like if I can get this shoe for retail, I'm gonna keep them. But yeah, they were all pretty much resellers. And me and my bud, we were just like, bro, if I can get my size, you know, we're gonna rock them. But yeah, they were pretty much resellers. And then, like, you know, I heard that some of them wanted a size 9 and 8.5. You know, I'm a size 9 or 8.5 in Jordans. So, you know, if they take my size, I can't get my size. And then I might have to get either like a size 10 or whatever size they have, and then like sell them, and then get that money and get my size or whatever. You know how it goes. I go in the store, you know, it's my turn, and then I'm just like, bruh, what sizes do you guys have left? And then they're just like, what size are you? What size do you need? And then I'm just there like, I need a 8.5 or 9. And then my mans tells me, "I think we have one size 9 left." And I'm just like, what? You know, 15 pairs. And then the people in front of me, I heard that they wanted a size 9 or 8.5. A size 9? My size? Bro, give me that shit. Like, I want that size. And yeah, they went in the back, pulled out my size. It was the last size 9s. So I don't know how many size 9s they had in the back, but bruh, I took the last size 9. 15 pairs only. I didn't know what size they had in the back or whatever. They could have been just lying to us or something, I don't know. But that's what they told us. 15 pairs, got the last size 9, which is my size. I took the W. You know, was it worth the camp out? Yeah, you know, it was dope camping out. Managed to grab the W, got my size, so you know, everything went well. Fast forward, here we have it. You guys see the box, Jordan 1 box. You guys probably already know what shoe this is. If you know, you know. Let me get them out the box. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. At first, when I saw pictures of this shoe floating around the internet, I don't know. I kind of didn't like them like that at first. But then when I saw them in hand, I was just like, these are fire. You know, when you see them right like in hand, pictures don't do justice at all. Personally, because when I saw them in hand, I was just like, yep, these are not going anywhere. These are staying in the collection. And bam, here we have it, the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man Air Jordan 1s. What else are they calling these? The origin stories, Spider-Verse Jordan 1s. But bruh, look at these things. These things are beautiful. Now, at first, when I saw pictures, they kept doing the 3M stuff. So, you know, the circles that are like in the red area, they were pop a lot. And me personally, when I saw that, I thought that, you know, when you grab the Air Jordan 1s, you would see the circles like easily, but then holding them in hand, when you actually take a look, like it's kind of hard to see the circles. And even with flash, if you put flash on, it's kind of hard to see as well. So yeah, because I wasn't really a big fan of those circles, but then after seeing them in hand and then trying it on the 3M personally, you can barely see them. So I don't know what kind of flash they were using in pictures, because that shit was strong. And then another thing that kind of bugged me about this shoe that I personally didn't like, and I still don't like, is that icy outsole on both shoes. The outsole is icy. Yeah, it's dope, whatever, but like, when you're wearing this shoe, this shit is going to turn black, it's going to turn brown, it's not going to look this nice when you're wearing them. But then, you know, after thinking about it, when you're wearing them, you know, you're not really going to be seeing the bottom of the shoe. And even like this, you can barely see the icy outsole. Yeah, that's pretty much those two things that bugged me about this shoe. Other than that, these shoes are fire. And quality on these, the leather on these, well, on my pair, I don't know about other pairs, but on my pair, the leather on the side panel is just so soft and buttery. It's kind of that bread toe and those purple Jordan 1s. It's nice and soft and it's tumbled. Like, look at this. This is that nice leather. Same thing with the toe box. It's nice and tumbled. Kind of reminds me like that royal, you know, purple Jordan 1s material. Here's the other one, so you guys can take a look. That shit looks nice and tumbled, nice and soft. Nice leather on these bad boys. You have that Nike Air, but it's in like this. The tag is blue with the Nike Air and the Nike swoosh logo in red. And then inside you have that blue insole. And then the laces that it came with, it's black laces with red tips. And you do get red laces with blue tips. And one other thing on this shoe, I don't know what material this is, but the Nike swoosh, this is one thing that I didn't see in pictures. You kind of have to have these in hand to kind of like see what I'm talking about. The outline of the Nike swoosh kind of has this patent leather gloss to it, which kind of reminds me of the gloss of Spider-Man's eyes. And then the Nike swoosh, you guys probably can't see this, but has like these hexagon shape type on a Nike swoosh, and then the material is not even leather. I don't know how to describe it. It's like this weird material on there. But I personally like the touch of this like glossy outline on the swoosh, and then this weird material on there. Kind of reminds me of Spider-Man's eyes. And same thing right here. Soft. Like, I don't know what this is. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments below. But it's a weird material. It's not leather or anything. And then obviously you got your Air Jordan right there in black. And you can kind of see the circles right there. That 3M circles. I'll probably have a B-roll shot of showing you guys the 3M on this shoe. But yeah, guys, that is the Chicago 1 Spider-Man Jordan 1s, Spider-Verse Jordan 1s, origin stories, whatever you guys want to call these. These are fire in my opinion. But yeah, other than that, I am out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.